As you guys see guys, the CPU is running right now. So this is the way which I've configured. Like you know what guys, the only one problem when I was trying to configure that, the SMPS box was completely down. I don't know what was the fucking reason on that, but I couldn't be able to make it. Sorry for my words. And then later on I tried using this FPS box, which is a 440 watts again, but I am going to change it very soon. So only for you I have tried connecting it. Guys, you can see how trendy it is looking like. It's completely out of the motherboard. This is, here is the RAM, here is the SSD, here is the CPU fan which is running right now, and apart from that, this is the way it has been completely out. I have moduled it, where you can see the actual power cable. Do you see this? The power cord is been struggled over here, and this is a F panel have connected over here. Here is the additional USB type C and all, which I'm going to connect it very soon, but this is for the testing purpose where I've been used it. And you can see how beautifully this is looking like. The three RGB fans on the rear, and this one fan, and the cabinet is empty. Of course we need to install it. So this is generally guys, and guys, you know, right, we are building a PC, so it is not comes with a preloaded Windows. It is completely like a DOS. You need to go ahead and install the bootable pen drive or something, where you need to do a boot to Windows, and then you install it. Then you can pretty much activate the Windows by following the other processes. But our job was to unbox, build a PC. We finally did that. But the only one faulty thing which I like personally had is that particular SMPS box. So I have kept it aside. As you can see, MSI things, I don't know, some issue in the CPU fan where I was actually getting an error, so that's the reason it got a little late. But finally have figured out how to go ahead and make sure, and it's running up and running right now. So I'm going to install this particular CPU, and I would run a performance test on my particular system. And also I need to soon get a new SMPS very soon, because note guys, this is a 440 watts of SMPS, and yeah, it's not suggested to use along with this thing. The reason I will tell you why you would not be able to use it. See, it's running up and it's running wonderful. The only problem over here is the CPU unit. You see this, right? This is a processor plugin where this 440 watts, 500 watts, it would only have the 4 sockets, but it's supposed to have the at least 8 sort of a pins. Then only you would be able to see like it is strongly supporting it, because it is for the gaming PC, right? So it's not suggested to go ahead and use 440 and all the stuff. It's not good for your motherboard. But anyhow, for a time being, just for the testing purpose, I did it. I would going to install the same SMPS box. Let's see what's gonna happen till I get the another one, or maybe I would arrange it in the weekend. Let's see what's going to happen. Thank you guys. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Comment if you have any questions on this. I would like to literally go ahead and reply it. Guys, I would also coming up the video to build a PC within 15,000. Guys, you already know within 10,000 no one can go ahead and build a PC at this particular point of time, but anyone does that, really great. But I don't know, I'm not able to get the budget into the cost. So I've already got a cabinet for that, to build a PC within 15,000. So I'm also getting the components to that. So slowly, soon I'm going to run the build PC within 15,000, like a budget PC, which you would be seeing it very soon. Thank you guys, have a good day, bye bye.